Welcome everyone, you may be in a situation where your full library isn't loading up on your Xbox Series S. So what we're talking about is a bunch of games not loading and these regular apps not loading up as well. So first of all, I recommend you do, before we go to the nitty gritty, let's say the Call of Duty Modern Warfare Remastered isn't loading. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on the Xbox button, My Games and Apps, See All, and then navigate to the games which aren't loading, click into Start, Manage Games and Add-ons, and then click on the top one here. And so we'll just do manage, and just make sure that you have the base game installed, and if there's any extra options you installed as well. So the best bet is just click in select all, and if you have an option to save changes, click into save changes, and then just wait for everything to complete. Once it's completed, try loading up the games again. If that works, you're good to go. If that doesn't work, then you may have a situation where you put an expansion card or an external hard drive, and the games you downloaded require a disk to load. If that's the case, then, well, of course, the Series S doesn't have a disk, so you're not going to be able to load up the games. Simple as that. Therefore, you're going to have to buy them from the Microsoft Store in order for them to load. If you're in a situation where you've done those two things, or, the games weren't from, a disk, then what's happened is your Xbox Series S has glitched out. So the best bet, so what you're going to do first of all, is if you have like one or two games which aren't working, just go into My Games and Apps, See All, and then just find the game. Let's say Modern Warfare 3. Click and Start, Manage Games and Add-ons, and then click into it. And then we'll just do Manage, and you just want to select all, unselect all, and then Save Changes. So that will delete the game off of your Xbox Series S. If you have a bunch of games which aren't working, then what you're going to do is just don't do that. But instead, we're going to go to Settings here, and we're going to go to System, Console Info, Reset Console. And so if you only have one or two games which aren't loading up, then what you're going to do is you're going to select Reset and keep My Games and Apps. So that means that after the factory reset, all your games will be available. It will take a couple of minutes for them to show up. You just need to go to the My Games and Apps screen, wait a couple of minutes, and eventually they will show up. However, if like a bunch of apps aren't working, a bunch of games aren't working, then we're going to start from scratch. You just select to reset and remove everything. Wait for that to complete. You will need to reset reset up your Xbox Series S. That may be inconvenient. Just keep that in mind. But once you've done that, that will solve the issue of the full library not working, and you just re-download those games which weren't working. You're good to go. If it's like all the regular apps and games weren't working, then you just need to re-download all them, and then they'll work, no issues with remove everything. So really, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.